Bagbasha Naimathangkhorni kefek manino kebengi ongkhorthani brown sugar twijak khi khoroknino romui mankha shawi mankha kok tishal horni damchisa tamani jorawo AS10A2075 lomboni Alto Malkhung bai Assam Haste ni Sribumi hangkorni nilomba jani simi Tripura Haste ni sunamurawo tubuthani wo naka point to khami thingma tongma bai naimathangrong rutugui naike kaiba sabani boxo 53 gram brown sugar mankha o brown sugar twijak rokni mung Mushroom Hosin umur nuichi tham tei Sueb Akhtar umur nuichi ba borokni tongthai sunamura rangamati 4 number ward amchayo hopungna ka point to bathakriwi fanke sungjakma yagulo 0325 number mamla khai tangshalo dormonogor kerangnoko bachari jakha borokno joyawoi nai tonggi nokbar news
গাড়ি স্টাইল দেখলে তুমি বোঝা যায় যে ড্রাগস আর কিতা লাগছে বিজনে কি অবস্থা গাড়ি
Early morning around 1 a.m. These Assam PS they intercepted one vehicle, Alto, whose number is AS01A2075. After detaining them, after conducted a search, they have found 5 showcases of the suspected heroin. On measurement, it is 53 grams. So they have arrested 2 persons in connection with this. Their names are this Saib Akhtar and Musharraf Hussain. So case has been registered under NDPS. Investigations already been started.
Sir,
Detained, and actually we're trying to make a at least strong case against these persons who are involved. We're trying to find from where they have retrieved the information, from where they have got. It seems the information for preliminary information we have that it is coming from Assam side, and the person who have been arrested are from Sunumura area. So we will see who have sent and where is the destination. So by what linkage we will determine the investigation, based on investigation.